Alright, we are gathered here today to join Michael Wedding and Hope March and Dishwasher III in holy matrimony. Love is a great thing, and they are the perfect image of what a great Christian marriage should be. And Oscar is going to recite some scripture for us. Love can be. And now Michael and March are going to exchange their vows. Okay. Shoot the trailer. Let's go first. Me? I'll go first. Alberta Dishwasher III. I know I only met you 2.5 weeks ago. Ever since I met you, I know I loved you. I'm a clean freak, and you're a clean freak too. And the way you disinfect those dishes stole my heart. And I know this is the only room we will ever be in. But I will be here with you until we die. I love you. Sometimes you get cranky and you won't turn on. I still love you with all of my heart. And I can't wait to be together forever. Nate, stop crying. You're making me cry. So you're making me cry. Stop it. I love you. Alright, now it's Martha's turn for her words. She has more. Well, there's more. Don't worry. I love you too. Where are the rings? So is her engagement ring? So now, I do this as a sign of my love for you. Stay on. Oh, thank you so much. Left hand?
Yeah.
May kiss the bride. First time I now pronounce you as Mr. and Mrs. Wedding. Yeah! Okay, we're going to clear the chairs out. We're going to have a minor reception with the best man speech, and there's been a cake made where we'll cut the cake as well. And we'll have the first dance. So if you could just hold us clear the chairs out, we will be back.
I was recording and then finished.